So here is our little bunny with the pendant on it, for the pendant, and I'm just going to put some other beads on him, and I've got these little beads which have got letters on them. Oops, I knew that was going to happen. And I'm going to spell out the words Happy Easter. So what I want to start off with doing, I've got some of this, and it's like elasticated float cord, and you use it for it can be used for making necklaces and that sort of thing. I actually got it from a charity shop, but it's brand new, and it's it says gossamer cord, and it's like, I don't know if you can see, it's stretchy, so it'll be able to go on and off of the doll's necks really easily. So what I want to do is, if I'm going to have Happy on this side and then the rabbit head in the center and Easter on this side, I want to start with the last letter which I'm going to make, which would be the R, and I'm going to just thread that through, and it should thread through really easily. Yeah, it does. So I'll put the R on, and then I'll start from this end. So we're going to need the E. So I have just got these small yellow glass beads here, and I'm just going to thread those on until I get up to about here, and then what I will do is I will tie it into a knot at the back, so that she'll have a nice fastened piece in it, and then I will come back and show you how I finished it off. So I went to tie it together and it all came off, so what I did was I took the last one on there and I tied it into a double knot, and then I took the elastic bit and I poked it in for the center, and it's really hard to do, so I'm hoping that you can see it. So I just made one knot like that, and I'll just make another just the same, just to hold those two end pieces together first, because as I say, all the beads just shot off the end when I tried to tie it. And I'll put that one through it there, so I've got, that's two knots, there we go. So that's not going to come off now. There, that's stuck on there, and that one's stuck on that end, so you've got these two pieces here. Okay, so that's your little rabbit, and you've got your two pieces there, and what I'm going to do then is just tie those two pieces in a double knot there at the end. It's held together, is it held together? Yes, and that's held together, and there you go. Okay, and I would just leave those two ends, I would just cut them down a little bit. So I'm just going to cut them down a little bit. I want to leave a little bit of an end there, I don't want them just to pull out. Okay, and obviously you won't see that because it'll be under your doll's hair. Anyway, okay, so there we go. So there we have a lovely little Easter necklace. Oh, I think that's just a shadow I'm trying to catch there. A lovely little Easter necklace with the Happy Easter on the front. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.